This is the for all you expresso coffee makers out there, have your own machines. This is the easiest way to unblock the actual stainless steel tin filter out of your espresso machine. Right, as you can see there, I'm using a blowtorch, and you'll gradually see the little flakes just glow and fall out. And you see it'll get red hot there. It doesn't matter because it's stainless steel, and it'll just get its colour back again. There you are. See all the little flakes there? What do you call it? Let's put it back over again. Let's give it a blow. Just a little bit in the middle. You might get a little bit of bluing, on it, but beats pushing them all out with a little pick. So I'm not actually watching what I'm doing proper here now. There you go. You just see it glow up a little bit there. Give it a go. There you go, peeps. Coffee filter cleaned.